So we're back to the Buick here, putting a new fuel pump in the fuel tank, and I made an access hole here. Make it easier to hook up the final connection here on the vent hoses. And then I'm going to put the plate over that hole and use silicone or weather strip adhesive. I haven't figured out what I'm going to use here. I got left laying around, but seal it up and put the carpet back over. And then if you ever have to do the fuel pump again, you have easy access here. And cleanliness is really a best thing to have, is everything clean. And it takes time, so give yourself a whole day to do this project, if not 2 days. So good luck with your repairs.